How to automatically email intake forms to clients. In this guide, we will create an email message template containing a link to the client's outstanding intake forms for them to fill out. Then, we will create an event to automatically send to all clients that have outstanding forms. If you have not yet sent emails from Encore, you will need to make sure you have email messaging enabled. Click the I in the upper right-hand corner to learn more about how to set up email messaging. First, we will create an email message template with a link to their outstanding forms. Go under the System drop-down menu. Click on Email Templates. Click Add New. Name the template at the top of the screen. Add an email subject line. This is what clients will see when they receive the email. We will create our message in the body of the email by adding a text block. We have created a sample message that we will paste in. If you would like to copy this sample message, you will find it below in the video description. After we have created the email message, we need to insert merge tags for the client's name and for the link for the client to fill out forms. Click the drop-down menu labeled Merge Tags. First, we will add the client's first name. Next, go back to the Merge Tag menu and hover over Other. There are two options relating to forms: Intake Form Button and Intake Form Message. We will add both the Intake Form Message and Intake Form Button to the body of our email. We will also add an unsubscribe link to the bottom of the email. Lastly, we will adjust the text size and alignment to our liking. Click Save. To preview the template, click the Demo Data button. The intake form message is shown here. The intake form button is shown underneath. Now that we are finished creating the email message template, we will add a marketing event to automatically select clients with outstanding forms and send them an email for them to fill out their forms. Click on the Utilities button. Next, click on Marketing Events. Click Add New. Add a title to your event. In this tutorial, we will title our event Intake Forms. Set the event to be an email event. Forms cannot be sent via text. We will choose the message template that we just created. Under Maximum Messages to Send in Period, Days, set how many messages you want sent to each client within the specified time period. For example, if you only wanted each client to receive this message at maximum once every 3 days, you would set the days to 3. Keep in mind, this email will only be sent to clients with outstanding forms. Once they fill them out, they will no longer receive an email. Choose the frequency that the event will run. The options are hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or once. In this tutorial, we will select daily. Set the start date that you want for the event. Set the start time for the event. Under Event Ends, we will set the event to never end. Next, click on the Client Filters tab. Here, you will see a list of filters. We are going to use 2 filters in this tutorial. The most important is the Intake Forms filter. This is used to select clients who have completed or not completed forms or who have outstanding intake forms to fill out. We will apply the filter for clients who have outstanding forms to fill out. Next is the Appointment filter. We will apply the filter for clients who have future appointments. We have finished creating the event. Click Save. Once the event has been saved, you will see a tab labeled History. You can click on this tab to view the sending history of the event. Click the Back button. You will see when the event will be sent next and when the event last ran here. We have now created an event to email intake forms to clients. Thanks for watching.